Hi guys, Chris here at IFA Berlin. I'm at Segway Ninebot's booth here, and we're taking a look at some of their newer scooters. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you'd know that I review a lot of electric scooters. I happen to be quite fond of them, and I believe that it's the future of transportation, just for the ease of being able to park outside of the city, for example, if you don't have any parking, and take one of these in. So they've got their series of the smaller, lighter, foldable, more portable scooters here. I reviewed the ES1 in the channel quite some time ago. Then they've got the ES2 and the ES4. Now this is the new one that has just been recently announced. In fact, I think it was just a press conference yesterday they had, and it is the Ninebot Kickscooter Max G30. So there's two different versions. They've got one for German legislation. So you can see at the back here, there's actually a little plaque there, space, so you can they can put the number plate on it for your licensing there, which is part of German law. So max speed of this one here is 20 kilometers per hour, and you get a range of 65 kilometers, which is pretty good. Now you can see the design and the build of them. They look very similar to the Xiaomi, the M365 that I reviewed about 2 years ago, sharing that same design DNA, because really it's made by the same ODM. It just was branded under Xiaomi, that particular model here. But you can see very chunky, solid scooters. The quality seems great. So we've got drum brakes on the front, and they do have these, okay, they're air-filled tires, so not solid tires, but they have an extra special layer in them to help actually with punctures, which is a big problem, of course, on these scooters that I had with the original Xiaomi. Was the punctures I was getting was a huge issue, and they do have like a solution in there as well. Now you can see it's rear-wheel drive, which is good for traction and even safety. I found with the front wheel drive ones that often when you go up, for example, like a small incline or something, and at an angle, the front wheel can tend to slip then, losing a little bit of traction. Foldable, so it does fold down. They're quite a heavy scooter, so it's got fast charging. I'll quickly just show you the port here. So it comes with the power supply is actually in it. So you lift this up, there's a little seal around there, so water shouldn't get in there and dust. So you got the standard Mickey Mouse plug there, you can see. That's for the normal charging, so overnight you can just take the cable with you and charge it, for example, in your office, and then there's a separate external faster charger with it as well. I'll take a look at the controls too at the top. So you can see right here, it would have the QR code there for those rental companies. There are different rental versions as well. So we've got, this has got the bell right here, but the German version has a different bell on it. Slight differences here. This, of course, is to clip down the handlebars. Power it on, you've got your display right here. Accelerator, nice solid grips. So very similar, as I said, to the Xiaomi, the original one they looked at. You can see there's your different modes you can cycle through, and you can view this in sunlight as well. So I've had a quick chat to Ninebot here. I'm hoping to review one of these in the channel. Now the retail price is going to be about 800 euros. So yes, they are a lot more expensive, but these are designed to be solid, durable, long-lasting scooters. And as I mentioned, the difference between the two is one's for the German market, this one right here, so the 20 kilometer max speed. This one here is 65 kilometer range on both of these, in ideal conditions, of course. And slight differences with the front lights as well. The German version has a reflector here, you can see. There's the light there at the front, so that goes with the handlebars too when you're looking around. And the headlight setup on this one, again, Xiaomi, like the Xiaomi, the M365, very similar setup. It's good looking scooters. Thank you so much for watching this hands-on with the Ninebot Kickscooter Max G30, which is the new version, and the G30D, the German version there. I hope to later on in the year have one of these to review in the channel, to go through my range tests, full tests. Do check back in the channel for more IFA coverage from me. Thank you so much for watching.